Hi everyone, it's Matt here. We're doing another pinball restoration. This is our latest machine that we're going to start looking into. It's called Gorgar. It's from 1979, Williams. I believe this is the first pinball machine to actually have spoken voice as part of the sound set that it comes with. We're able to pick this up at an auction just recently, and overall it looks pretty decent shape. There's the glass down there. See, the artwork is interesting and very pertinent for that era. Of course, when we picked it up, uh, the description basically said it doesn't work. It powers on, but that's about it. The lights come on, but that's about as far as we get. Notice here we've got some smoking here going on. That's not something I've seen before, so we'll have to investigate all of that. It's probably all the heat coming off of those uh, resistors. A lot of that happens quite frequently. So we're going to start out. We're not going to actually try turning it on yet, because it looks like we've definitely got some fuses that need checked out or replaced. Some of those are very suspect. So we'll want to take a look at that. Some older capacitors there we'll probably want to replace as well. And that one definitely looks, that's the soundboard. Yeah, that looks pretty gross. We'll want to definitely clean that one up as well. What I am going to do, though, just for giggles and grins, because I've got it set up already, is I'm going to take this board out of the box. And since I've got my bench set up, because I'm still working on the Firepower motherboard, which just so happens to be the exact same series as this one, I'm actually going to just plug this one up to the bench power supply and see what the boot status is of this board. Wouldn't it be cool if really the only problems with this was maybe just a few burnout resistors and some fuses? That would be awesome. And then we could focus on the play field and the plastics and stuff like that, and whatever else goes wrong. But I suspect there's more wrong to it than that. We'll see. But we'll get back to that as we move forward. But anyway, I thought I'd show you what this Gorgar looks like to start out with, some things that we're going to sample with. If we get anything exciting that comes up, we'll definitely let you know about it straight away. But anyway, thanks for joining, and we'll see you in the next episode.